Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term char. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, char is slang for work or a short task, often domestic or casual. People use it when talking about small jobs or chores they need to do. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Char first showed up in the early 1900s British English. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people referring to household tasks or informal jobs. Now let's check out how to use char in a sentence. Correct example 1. She asked me if I could do a quick char before the guests arrived. Correct example 2. I'm going to finish this char and then grab some lunch. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said char at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using char right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Char means slang for work or a short task, often domestic or casual. It started in early 1900s British English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with char in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.